Hello! Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we are gonna be trying out not trying out, rather I'm just gonna show you guys how I've incorporated the viral TikTok hacks into my everyday dewy makeup look. So stay tuned and watch. Let's start. So we're gonna start off by applying. So this is a super viral TikTok hack which I have incorporated into my routine. It's one of the favorite TikTok hacks. So I'm just taking some loose powder. I've just moisturized my face. After moisturizing my face, I'm just gonna dust the loose powder all over my face. So once we're done with that, we're going in with a setting spray. Now the setting spray I'm using is by Try Sugar. It's the Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. Because this look is dewy, I've gone for this setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray it all over now. And we're just gonna wait for this to dry. Honestly, I really want to talk to you guys about how I keep myself motivated during lockdown. To be very honest, every lockdown like last year, I had the most productive, it was the most productive year for me. Similarly, this lockdown again, it's going more productive. It's just the way that I set my mind, and I think that'll be my next video. I'll talk to you guys about what I do, how I keep myself motivated, and it's gonna help a lot of you guys, I guess, out there. So next we're going in with the Vitamin Glow Smashbox Vitamin Glow. Oh my god, okay. Next we're going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer, and we're just gonna apply it all over the face to get that dewy look. Ideally the next step is applying foundation, but this is a no foundation look because it's an everyday dewy makeup look, which is my favorite. And I don't like foundation on everyday basis, or I don't think anyone does, but specifically me, I don't like foundation at all. I live on BB creams and just concealers, to be honest. So now what we're gonna do instead of foundation is we're gonna try the viral blush hack. So what they do is they start off by taking a red lipstick. Now I'm not taking a red lipstick, I'm taking a dark, not even a dark pink, it's like a nice pink. It's L'Oreal Paris Rouge lipstick 121 I Choose. Here. And also some on my chin. You can blend it out using a beauty blender, but I'm going in with a brush. So this blush, oh my god, this brush is by Cuffs and Lashes F012. It's a angled brush, fluffy brush, so it's really easy to blend your blush or contour creams out. So what I'm doing is I'm just tapping to blend rather than dragging it. I'm tapping it, basically pushing the product into my skin. So you are gonna look like a clown, this technique is like that, but well. Okay, so now that we have the blush all blended, oh my god, I feel like someone's gonna say something about my accent here, but this is how I talk, okay? In between I get a little bit jazzy, because I get excited doing my makeup and my right eye is flickering. Is that a good sign or bad sign? Please be good. Okay, so the next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply contour. So now I'm using the Milani contour and highlight, but you can use whatever you want to. You can also use a lipstick, to be honest. And we're just gonna apply it here on the cheek bones and a little on this side of the forehead, little here, and that's it. And now we're gonna blend it all out as usual. So again, I'm gonna blend it out with a brush, but you can feel free to blend it out with a blender, whatever is easier for you. I'm using Cuffs and Lashes again. It's CS10. So first I'm gonna use my same shade concealer to hide my dark circles, जो भी थोड़े से हैं. So I'm using the Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade something Brev, 40 Brev, and I'm just gonna apply it in a triangular position because I'm trying to like hide my dark circles. So like that. And I'm gonna blend it out using a brush again. This is again by, oh my god, it looks like a Cuffs and Lashes sponsored video, but the brushes are so good. I honestly just use them because they have like a brush for every part of the face. So this is F019 and I love this brush because it's so easy to blend your concealer with this. So now that we're done blending this, now instead, you know, usually the TikTok hack includes you applying foundation on top, but we are going to be applying BB cream because oh no, before that, to make it more dewy, I use my strobing cream. Oh. So before all of that, I'm going to go in with Maybelline's Master Strobing Cream and apply it on the high points of my face, which are my, what is this called? Cheekbones, right? So before anything, drink water. Hydrate yourself as much as possible. So now I'm going to apply my BB cream and I'm using the Garnier BB cream. This is my all-time favorite BB cream. I've spoken about this like everywhere. Oh no, it's dripping. So I've done as much as I could with the brush and now I'm gonna take my beauty blender, spray it with some setting spray. So just dab the excess on my palm and push the product in so that, you know, it just sits on the skin nicely. So now we're going to be applying a concealer which is a lighter shade than my skin tone. So I'm using Sephora Best Skin Ever Natural Finish in 27, and this is again something that I saw on TikTok where you apply it like this to give you, you know, a lifted face, and it honestly does give you a lifted appearance. So yo. So I've taken that loose powder on my brush. I'm just gonna blend it out once more before I go ahead and set it. So like you can see, I'm sticking very close to my eyes and not taking it down because I don't want to set this part, otherwise my dewiness will go from here. So we've done that and now I don't need to apply more blush because, you know, whatever we did before has actually sat so well on the face that it's just showing through. So when it comes to eyebrows, I actually don't do my eyebrows on everyday basis because I've got such thick eyebrows. I just like to brush them out and, you know, I'm good to go for the day. And this range is my favorite for eyebrows. So this is the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. The reason why this is my favorite is because the tip is so fine that you can actually draw the hair. Now we're just gonna do the eyes. So I'm applying the Sephora concealer again out here. Set it with some loose powder. Now we come to the eyes. So for the eyes, I like using very neutral colors on everyday basis. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, and you can use any eyeshadow palette that you want to. And I'm going in with this burnt orange color. It's a very nice nude color towards the brown tones, and I'm just gonna apply it on my crease. This brush is by Rufa Beauty RB08, the one that I'm using to blend. Same color on my lower lash line, just a hint of it so that you know my lower lash line doesn't look too empty, as they say. Now taking a brown shade, so I'm going to take this brown color. I'm just going to apply it very close to my lash line, just sort of to give a very you know, like a full look. So once I apply the mascara, my eyes look bigger and fuller. And we finish it off with mascara. So I'm using two mascaras because I always use two mascaras. One is Too Faced Damn Girl and the other is Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. So once we're done with the mascara, I don't apply anything on my lower lashes because I just think it looks cuter that way, and I don't like applying it on my lower lashes on everyday basis. We're gonna highlight, but very minimal highlighting. So I'm taking a highlighter, just take any highlighter you want to. I'm using Becca Cosmetics, and highlight the inner corners of your eyes. So I honestly think this one step opens up your eyes and makes your face look so much better. I'm just gonna highlight one half and show you the difference it makes. Applying some here, on the nose bridge, here, and some on the chin. Now just look at this side of the face, like, you know, look at this eye. It looks so much more like you know, brighter, and this one looks a little, it looks normal, but this is just looking brighter. So just highlighting the inner corners of your face, of your eyes, will make a huge difference in your everyday skin makeup routine. I don't like highlighting here. We applied strobe cream here, so that is the only highlight that I use for this area. Unless I'm doing a full glam look, I don't highlight this area. And now for the lips. So for the lips, what I'm gonna do is, again, I saw this on TikTok and I just did it yesterday, and I think it's a very nice technique. So you're gonna like do this to your lips and then, you know, outline your lips. So I'm using Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Willow, and this is like a very nice lip liner and it's so cheap. It's for $1.95. And just gonna so do you see, it just gives you a nice pouty, you know, like outline. And now I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit. Then I'm gonna take a pinkish lipstick. So this is by Colourpop Lippie Sticks. You can also use the lipstick you use for your blush. And this is in the shade Gold Digger. It's matte, and I'm just gonna apply it on the center part of my lips. So finish it off with your setting spray, or you can also skip this, but since I have it, I like to use it. When I didn't have a setting spray, I would just skip it, it's fine. And just whoa. So now we're just gonna take off the clips. Oh, but look at this. This is also so nice. I like this hairstyle as well, but anyway, I just think I look cuter with that hairstyle, so let's do that hairstyle. And we're done! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next week.